Global Induced Pluripotent Stem Cells Market. Induced Pluripotent Stem Cells Global Growth Trends and Forecast by Types, by Application, by Regions and by Key Players. Thermo Fisher Scientific Inc. Global Induced Pluripotent Stem Cells Overview. The global induced pluripotent stem cells (IPSCs) market is expected to gain market growing in the forecast period of 2022 to 2027. Data bond that the market is growing with a CAGR of 8.7% in the forecast period of 2022 to 2027 and is expected to reach $2,081.08 million by 2027. Increasing research activities over stem cell treatments act as driver for the induced pluripotent stem cells (IPSCs) market growth. The induced pluripotent stem cells are a type of cells derived from the adult somatic tissues and reprogrammed with set of genetic factor and factors to gain pluripotent nature. Certain genes and factors are added to attain sure properties of embryonic stem cells. The induced pluripotent cells being nearly identical to cell donor, they aid in disease demonstrating. Retroviruses are commonly used as vectors to reprogram persuaded pluripotent stem cells. Main requests of persuaded pluripotent stem cells are in disease modeling, drug detection and development, toxicity studies and gene therapies. They are extensively used in treatments for cardiovascular diseases, diabetes mellitus and various kinds of cancer. Humanoid-induced pluripotent stem cells shows the relevant properties of disease as it carries the specific genotype of the disease, thereby enables novel therapeutic options in patient-specific way. Compound annual growth rate. Acknowledging the kind of traction gained by this market, recently published a study report by IndustryDataAnalytics asserts the global induced pluripotent stem cells size is projected to accrue voluminously by 2027, registering a phenomenal CAGR of 8.7% during the review period, 2022 to 2027. Prime players: Thermo Fisher Scientific Incorporated, FUJIFILM Corporation, LumaCyte, Horizon Discovery Limited, Hopstem Biotechnology LLC, Takara Bio Incorporated, Cell Applications, Inc., Citius Pharmaceuticals, Inc., Lonza, Evotec SE. Market segmentation: segment types: hepatocytes, fibroblasts, keratinocytes, amniotic cells. Others: segment application, drug development and discovery, regenerative medicine, toxicology studies. Others: growth drive in terms derived cell, cardiomyocytes segment accounted for the largest share in the global market and is anticipated to grow further with the same trend during the forecast retro. Cardiomyocytes bring major advantages to investigators owed to their non-stop and reliable supply that can be practical in diverse applications. Based on application, the drug development and discovery emerged as the major segment and led the major growth for the market. IPSCs find wide application in safety and effectiveness evaluation throughout the drug growth process. Implant Therapeutics, a U.S. startup, has signed a research contract with the Belgian Biotech to gain access to induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSC, including differentiation techniques, hypoimmunogenic cell lines, and expertise. Thank you. Contact us +1 704 266 3234, contact at IndustryDataAnalytics.com, www.IndustryDataAnalytics.com.